Folks, I've been doing this a long time. The louder you are, the more pumped up they get in the pits and go hog wild nuts. So keep making that noise, Ventura. Let him hear ya. Joe Jones and Tom Summers, Team 7X. Team number 74, James Kinn and Johnny Glover. Team number 33, Rick Garcia and Andrea Frazier. And team number 66, The Freak Show of Gerard Jackson and Dave German. Here we go, your second sidecar semifinal of the night. Joe Jones, Tom Summers, right out of the gate here.